Captain Mumu, and today I'm in Glossop, where I have found, I don't know what brand this is, but I think these are Dewhurst buttons, but also it's hydraulic. So could someone call it, please?
It's an express.
Good. What? Oh my gosh, it's an express lift. Well, it was one, I think. Yep, you might have not heard that, but you can actually hear the lift going down. Lift going up. This might have actually used to be an express.
Mind the door, please.
Oh my gosh.
Ted,
Let's listen to the motor.
Captain Mumu.
Oh, it's Oakland elevators. No. Oh, you can hear that. Wow, that is the lowest hydraulic lift I've been in.
Lift
I mean,
going down.
Noise. I mean, there's noise. But you can see up here, it says call. Wait until the doors close. We'll just get in anyway, to be honest.
Mind the door, please.
Mind the doors. Yeah, let's go ground.
Mind the doors, please.
It's strange how. Safety.
Mind the door, please.
Door closing open don't have buttons. You can see this here. See the doors wobble there.
Hooray!
The indicator. What is that? That is unnecessary. That's just my brother making sound effects.
Lift going up.
Oh, that was a big
Let's
rattle.
going up.
You can actually see, if you look up here, it says it's an express lift. Okay. Wow.
Mind the door, please.
Maybe modded by Oakland elevators, but these are definitely Dewhurst. But anyway, that has been Captain Mumu in this Oakland lift hydraulic lift. Huh. So, bye.